Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to download Buckshot Roulette on laptop. So before we dive in, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So I have this amazing site called PC Game Benchmark, and once you head over to that, you will be able to realize that we have our Buckshot Roulette on our laptop. So they have to offer all of these details if you can simply run your game or not, and below you can see all the download options, so you can download via Steam and check all these details as well. You can also see the pricing and everything. Make sure you do not download anything third party, and that is going to be simply damaging your PC and just getting virus onto your personal devices, so that should be really kept in mind and stayed conscious of. So yeah, make sure you have enabled virus and threat protection, and good luck downloading and enjoying the game. So subscribe to our channel if this information was helpful. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.